Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I already have my face makeup done. As you can see, I am filming a nice sultry green themed, olive themed, whatever you want to say, smoky eye look today using the Anastasia Sultry palette. So if you haven't seen this palette, it looks like this. It's a fun pop of color, but it also has this olive green that I'm dying to use, and it's got a black in here. It's a very neutral palette, but it has all the essentials. If you're a neutral gal like me, that's how I roll. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. I'm going to use the same brush as I did in my previous videos, the Smith and then the Real Techniques one. I'm going to start out with the Smith 230, and I'm going to go into the shade Birch right here, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease, nice and easy, and I'm going to roll it up toward my brow bone. This is beginner friendly. If you don't have this palette and you're a neutral girl, pick it up. It's so worth it. I use this palette all the time. It is so good. It's got great transition shades, great shimmers. In the end, I will swatch every shade and I will show you just how great it is, because camera doesn't do it any justice. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here, Twig, with the same brush, and I'm going to focus that a little bit underneath that transition shade I just put in. Going to be careful not to go above, so stay low. And again on the other side, stay nice and low. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to go into the shade Fresh right here. I'm just going to add that. It's a matte highlight, so it's just going to be very soft. As you can see, it's pretty pigmented as well. So next, I'm going to go into the shade Dystopian, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques, the one out of the set. I'm just going to use this, coat that, tap the excess off, and I'm going to place this in the outer V. Right in the outer V. And I'm just going to sort of wiggle it in the middle a little bit. Just want to build it up at your own pace, but this is how I do things. I'm pretty much not new to makeup. I've been doing this a long time. I do people's makeup on the side sometimes, weddings, proms, etc. So that's what we're looking like. You can flick it out if you want a little bit. Yeah. That's what it looks like right now, looking good. I'm going to take a Sigma E40 and I'm just going to roll this and blend this in so it's not so harsh looking. We can sort of smooth it out a little bit. Just like that, not too hard. Okay, so we're done with the smoky aspect of things. Now I'm going to go into this very great army green kind of shade. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to put this all over the lid. This is the olive green part of the smoky eye. Perfect for a date night, going out to the club, whatever you guys do. I don't know what you guys do, but I don't. I have 2 kids. One is 3 and one is 7. And they're the loves of my life. But sometimes I can't film on a regular basis. That is why I do not have a schedule posted, because it's not that reliable. They get sick and things like that. I can't film. So I hope you guys would understand with families, children. I'm sure you guys watch videos. Okay! She's yelling at me right now. Feeding the chipmunks outside. It's a nice day out today. It's usually really cold. So there's the army green portion of it. It looks like this. Now you can definitely see it like that. Maybe I'll keep it like this. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the Real Techniques brush again, and I'm going to do the same thing. Take Birch and run that along the lower lash line. Really easy. Then I'm going to go into Twig, same as we did before. And then I'm going to take Dystopian, the darkest, and I'm just going to focus this right on the outer portion where it meets right up here. So you want to sort of round it. Round it around. Round and around and around. Okay, like that. And then we're going to do the mascara, the liner, the whole shebang. So I tight lined my upper and lower lash line with the Makeupforever Aqua XL liner in black. And I actually want to take a pencil, no, not a pencil brush, an angled brush, and use the black in this and make a liner right with that. You guys, I'm dying laughing at myself about it. Hang on. Okay, so I have just any angled brush. There's an e.l.f. one that I absolutely love, and it's clear. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a powder liner. It looks much more natural, actually, than any liquid liner. And it's a lot easier to work with if you're a beginner doing a wing. I'm not going to do a wing today because my lashes flare out enough that I don't need to. I'm just going to do a small powder liner like this. Just line my upper lash line. Do the other side. It's very, very easy to do this look. You can't go wrong. It's foolproof. Practice makes perfect. Don't get down on yourself if you can't get it right the first time. Just keep trying. Makeup always washes off at the end of the day. At the end of the day, we're all still human. We all still have blood running through our veins. Most of us, anyway. Maybe there are some living zombies on this planet. I don't know. Anybody else into that? I kind of question it. Anybody else? Am I weird? I'm going to run this a little bit on the lower lash line as well. Smoke it out just a bit. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to use some Benefit Bad Gal Bang. It's like a little trial size mascara. Run it on my lower lashes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Showing you the actual process. Okay, so my dog wants to go outside to be with them, obviously, and he's squealing in the background, making an awful, god-awful noise. So, sorry about that. Do you hear it? Oh my gosh, it's pitiful. And I'm also going to put that on the upper lash line to prepare for falsies. By the way, you guys, for the last 2 months, I've been using the number 7 lash enhancing gel. And I went from like 0 lashes to a lot of fullness and lots of lashes in just 2 months. It's only $9.99 at Walgreens. No, this video is not sponsored by them. But I'm just saying that there's a difference. Like, look at that. And I had no lashes before. I'm not even joking. Like, I had, like, literally none. So I'm going to go in with the Vegas Nay Eyelure Lashes, they're at Target, $12.99, but you get a lot of uses out of them. I'm going to go put them on, and we will be finished with the eye look, except for the inner corner, and then we'll call it a day, see if you like it, etc., etc. So I'm going to go put those on, and I will be right back. Lashes make everything look great. I'm going to take the shade Pearl in here, and I'm going to pop that on my inner corners. It's just very beautiful. Very pigmented. You can even put this on the brow bone if you want. On just the high point right here on the arch, just a little bit. See that? And just like that, you guys, this video is finished, and I'm going to do the swatches right now, and I'll be right back for you. Do you like this olive green smoky eye? Was it easy to do? Can you recreate the look? Tag me in it on Instagram. Do whatever you have to do. I love it. It's so super simple and easy, and it looks very, very nice. I love this. We've got some olive green shimmer. We've got some dramatic thing going on. I did my face makeup. If you're wondering what I was using, please comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely add that in the description box. Not a problem. But it's all drugstore, so that's a plus. So let me go get those swatches, and I will be right back. So you guys, I just went in order from the palette. This is, I will tell you right now. Sorry. Okay, so this is Fresh, Pearl, Steampunk, Rose Quartz, Ember, which we use today, Bloom, Birch, Cinder, Twig, Teak, Dystopian, no, sorry, Teak, Dystopian, Cyborg, Slate, and Black. Noir. Excuse me. So anyway, that completes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. If you like videos like this, super simple, easy for beginners. I do everything from reviews to high-end to affordable. Whatever you want, just let me know in the comments. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, drop me a comment, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.